Hey, so what's up? So this is the Dell 5400. Of course, it's a Latitude series. Dell have been quite poor when it comes to naming. For instance, you'll get there's a 5400 that's Latitude. They also have 5400 Inspiron and also a workstation. But okay, for this one, it's a Latitude 5400. The build design just looks like any other Dell. Not really futuristic, but of course the specs are extremely good. It's a Core i5 8th generation. Here's the sticker here. It has 8 GB RAM and it also comes with 256 GB of SSD. This one doesn't have the HDD option, so you can only upgrade the solid state drive. It uses M.2 NVMe. So you come to the specs. Here the Core i5 8265U 1.6 GHz, of course with a turbo boost. If you search this specific processor, you'll get it goes to 3.4 GHz. The RAM is 8 GB single channel. You can also upgrade to 16 or 32 where it maxes out. Graphics, Intel UHD 620. That's integrated, obviously. And the resolution, let's just check in a minute. Should be 1920 by 1080. Yeah, here it is. Non-touch matte display. Also here you get a webcam shutter. Yeah, that one there. That's a webcam shutter, so you don't have to walk around with masking tapes. The color looks grayish black, but I think it's more of black. I think the sleekness not so bad, nothing special here. It just looks like a typical Dell laptop. But value for money, I think, is where this laptop really scores a lot. This one goes for 34,500 shillings Kenyan money. That's as of December 2022. Maybe the price might go slightly lower as time goes by, but we never know. That's the price for now. The keyboard is backlit and quite spaced well, and I just like how articulate the keyboard keys are. I mean, the font used here is quite of my type. Also, the hinges are so strong, and you can flip it, though with a little struggle with one hand. I just love the display as well. Just look how crisp that is. Yeah, that's it. For the ports, you have the RJ45, my camera. Yeah, you have the RJ45, the HDMI. You also get USB Type A, 2 of them, and a small size SD card reader. On the other side, you get a charging port, still big pin, though you can also charge with the Type C next to it, and also another USB Type A. So I think practicality wise, it's quite a good option for the price point. That's it. This one is available at Electrica Computers. You can call them 0713 441 634. Bye.